It's so great being here in Fargo. Fargo is such a hip and happening place, and it's fun to be able to bring influencers and registered dietitians to this area.
We're really delighted to have back a program we've been doing for about 5 or 6 years, the Soy Foods and Farm Tour. We do this each year with the intention of reaching out to nutritionists and dietitians in the culinary industry to help educate them and help them understand about soy in the diet.
Personally, I haven't cooked with soybeans very much in my life, so I'm learning a lot despite being in the soybean state. We don't use a lot of soy, and it would be nice to get a lot of soy into our diet because it's very healthy for you.
Even as a registered dietitian, I feel like I've taken in so many new foods and then being able to connect it right back to the field.
It's expected that by year 2050, the population may reach 10 billion people, so we need to figure out how to feed all those people. And because soybeans are more calorically dense, they're higher in fat and higher in protein, they really are wonderfully positioned to meet this challenge.
We're not only experiencing where those soybeans are grown, we're seeing them go from the field to the processing plant to the kitchen. We've been here for 2 days, but we have learned so much.
Today we're at the North Dakota State College of Science. We're working in the culinary department. Our students are getting the opportunity to work with soy foods, to learn from professionals that are in the industry. They're getting a great opportunity to incorporate soy into diets, learn about the health benefits of soy, and work with those soy products.
This type of event I would recommend for anyone who is interested in the area of food and of agriculture. People who are even just curious about where their food comes from, I think would benefit from something like this.